Hello my kitchen fam, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make this banana ice cream. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So right here I have me some frozen bananas. You can always use the fresh bananas to make this recipe. I have these bananas laying around and they were getting too ripe, so I decided that I'm going to peel them and place them into the freezer to save them, so that they don't go spoil. So the first thing you need to do is to place your bananas into a blender with 1 cup of milk. You can use any type of milk. So after you're done blending the banana, you're going to get you a second bowl, which you're gonna pour 2 cups of heavy cream, and you're gonna whip that up with your mixer, or right here I'm just using a hand mixer. So you're gonna scrape down your bowl and scrape off the mixer with a spatula, and this is what you should have. And then you will add your condensed milk. You can add about half a cup of condensed milk, or if you want it sweeter you can add more condensed milk to it. After you're done, you're gonna mix it again with your mixer or your hand mixer. After you're done, whip it up. This is when you add your banana mixture, which I'm doing right here, and then you whip it again, and then you will have your banana ice cream. So right here I added some almond essence because I did not have any vanilla extract, so you can always add your vanilla extract. After adding the banana mixture, I totally forgot about it. That's the reason for adding it almost at the end of the video. So this is what your ice cream should look like after you're done with it. Before placing it into a bowl, then place it into the freezer for about 8 to 10 hours. Then you can take it out and serve. Just enjoy. You can always add nuts to this banana ice cream if you want it. I just leave it plain like that. So here I'm covering it with a lid. This is what it looked like after coming out of the freezer. Here I'm just scooping it out into a bowl. As you all can see, yummy yummy. It was tasty. I could not finish this ice cream by myself, so I ended up have to get rid of some. Y'all know I don't want to put on too much weight and watching my weight. So yes, thank you all for taking the time out to watch my video. I shall see you guys in another video. Peace. I'm out.